Hi and hello friends, my name is SVS Kamal, studying in second class, Dear Blossom School in Surapeta. Now, so this is video recording kit. I book in Amazon and this is the parcel. This is the package of it. Now I'm going to open it, okay? It's little difficult to open, but I can do it. So exciting, no guys? Let's open. And this is okay.
Show near to the camera. So this is video.
So this is video recording
Kit.
kit, video recording kit. So
Okay, I'm
let's
so I'm so excited to see how it is.
I'm so excited to see how it is, and I'm going to open it now. Okay, friends?
I'll show that all.
I'll show that all for you.
What is there inside?
What is inside and everything about it, I'll tell you. Wow, it is here, okay.
Keep it down.
Okay, I keep it here. Things are nothing here.
So
And
this is mic.
this is mic, and
show
this
it.
is charger. So,
That is glass light.
this is glass light down like that.
And this is stand.
This is stand.
That is a Wi-Fi speaker.
This is Wi-Fi speaker. Now I'm going to take the pots. Let's do it.
I'll show it. That is a glass light.
This is glass light. Okay, friends. This is glass light.
Turn this side. Turn like this. Okay. You have to open from here.
We have to open from here. Let's open.
Let's open and see what is there. Like that. Okay, we'll see later. And next,
Okay,
show
we'll
them.
see this later. Okay, friends.
That is a glass light.
And
And this is like this light. This type light.
like this light.
This.
will come. Like this light. Okay, friends.
That is. Now this is next is mic. Upper one is mic.
Next is mic.
So that
This
is.
is mic. Okay, friends.
That is Wi-Fi speaker.
This is Wi-Fi speaker.
Show it. Show it.
This is Wi-Fi speaker. They're given 2 ports.
That is a stand for Wi-Fi speaker.
Yes.
And this is a cable. This is a stand. This is the stand.
This is the stand. Okay.
You have to open that.
You have to open it like this.
And that it should come up. So we have to keep it like this. This will come up, I think so. Something like this. It will come. Okay.
Like this or something.
Like this only. Okay. Right.
Okay then.
That is a cable.
This is the cable. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So if you like this video, please like, subscribe,
Share.
share and ring the notification bell. Bye bye. See you later in the next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.